Page 19, Told You So. 2/4 time, no sharps or flats. I kind of think it's in the key of F major, but there's no sharps or flats in it, so I won't go there. We won't. Right hand first. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. And that's pretty much it. Now the third line you get eighth notes all the way across, but that's still pretty much it. And the left hand you just got these broken chords. F chord, and here, and that's pretty much it. We want to hear the right hand, so it's here. So add the dynamics. We start out loud. The first line, that's the right hand. You decide what loud is, but loud. And then the second line is soft. It's like an echo. It's just... That's the right hand that's soft. The left hand has to be really soft. Then the third line, the first two measures are loud, and then you echo it with soft. And then the last line, the first measure is loud, the echo's on the second measure, and then you finish it loud. So, can be fun. Moderato again is a kind of a good walking pace. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I tend to bounce along. You don't have to play it legato. There's no articulation given. And when they do that, it's up to you. What does it feel like to you that it should be? And you can play these connected. You want to play them, that's fine. It's because when they don't give you any articulation, you get to pick. So you learn it the way it's written exactly, play it legato, play it all legato, and then after you've got it under your fingers well and you're kind of getting an idea of the mood of the piece, then you can experiment with putting in some disconnected notes, some staccatos or whatever. Short staccatos, long staccatos, phrasing, if you want to stick in phrasing. They've left it wide open. There's nothing here that tells you anything. So go for it. Now I want to do it, play with me to double check the notes and the rhythms. Shouldn't be a problem, but I've been doing play with me so far in the book, so I'll just continue. I'll give us 2 beats though, because it's in 2/4 time. And we will go slow. I'm going to play it all legato, and I'm not doing dynamics. You know the story. So put your hands up, not up. We went through this before. Just put them on the keyboard. Ready and go and.